Welcome to Degree Plus YouTube channel. If you're looking for a fully funded PhD opportunity in cutting-edge technology, this is one you should not miss. Today, we're talking about a fully funded PhD studentship at the University of Nottingham in the field of advanced multi-metal additive manufacturing. This opportunity is offered by the Center for Additive Manufacturing, one of the world's leading research hubs in this area. This is a fully funded PhD which includes a tax-free stipend of around £20,000 per year, full tuition fee coverage. You'll work on an advanced 3D printing technology called molten metal jetting, MMJ, focusing on multi-metal printing, high-temperature material systems, design and modeling of advanced engineering systems. This research has real-world applications in clean energy, electronics, future technologies. To apply, you should have a first-class or upper second-class degree in engineering or physical sciences. Basic coding skills, MATLAB or LabVIEW is a plus, knowledge of simulation tools, preferred, strong problem-solving and independent thinking skills. Industry experience is an added advantage. This opportunity is fully funded for students from the United Kingdom. International students are also welcome to apply. However, due to funding limitations, only exceptional candidates, such as those with strong academic records or research publications, are likely to be selected. The application deadline is the 10th of August, 2026. But keep in mind, applications are reviewed on a rolling basis. That means positions may be filled before the deadline, so applying early will significantly increase your chances. And if you need personalized scholarship information and guidance, you can join the Degree Plus platform. For consultation details, check the description below. That's it for today's opportunity. If you want more scholarships like this, Degree Plus is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.